Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter! Back in the kitchen again, boom, 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 review stuff. And I am so excited for this review today. Today I am reviewing, I don't even know how to pronounce this. I guess it's Fasta Pasta? Oh my god, I'm so excited! I need a thumbnail for this. It's like Fasta. I keep on calling it Fasta Pasta. I don't know what it is. It's an as seen on TV item. So yes, I'm cooking back in the kitchen again. I'm so excited for this. I was going to do this video with my husband Alex, but he is actually outside, literally like 3 feet away on the front porch, doing like a little Zoom party with his family. So if you hear him in the background, I hope I'm not interrupting him. So maybe you're like, oh my lord, what is going on? Is it a telenovela? No, it is my husband's family. Okay, so anyway, today we are going to do the Fasta Pasta review microwave cooker. And it says on here, you measure it, and then you microwave it, and then you strain it. And it has all of that in there together. I'm so excited. And you can make the most delicious pasta in the entire world. And it says the original microwave cooker includes free cooking guide as seen on Rachel Ray. Do you like my little... Now you know you gotta have treats, okay? These are my Kirkland Costco peanut butter treats. They're so delicious. I love the fish. These things, you gotta have treats. I have these. And then I also have my cheddar and sour cream chips. And I also have my Dean's onion dip. I don't like this. It's not my favorite, okay? I'll tell you, you can even tell it's not my favorite. How can you tell it's not my favorite? Because, well, I only have 2 more of them in the refrigerator. But they're not my favorites at all, okay? The Lay's are the best. Look at my hair right here, Darlene, Jolene, Joe. I name all my crazy hairs that just kind of want to hang out and dance. I want to dance with somebody. Boom! I'm 50 and I like to kick. Okay, so anyway, we got all of our treats. We need treats, and then we even have treats for the dogs. Here's Boo Rowley didn't want to eat much of his dinner tonight. Woo! And neither would I. All right. So we got all of our treats, got everything here, and we are going to start this. I'm so excited. Fasta Pasta microwave cooker. Now you can cook your pasta in half the time with half the mess. Forget about having to wash tons of dishes. Fasta Pasta measures, cooks, and strains all in one easy container. Great for more than just pasta. Try our recipes for making vegetable soup, rice, and more. Only $19.99. I have no idea how much I paid for this. I have absolutely no idea. Only Fasta Pasta uses a patented reservoir. I'm so out of breath. Designed which circulates the water, tumbling the pasta, ensuring pasta every time. Are you guys ready? Okay. Here we go. I'm so excited about this. How does it work? Oh my lord, I'm losing my things. Thank you, Tucker. Look at okay, so this is basically what it looks like, Tupperware container. This is so cute. Oh, hey! Look. Hey, everybody! Hi! Alex is holding up. Y'all got to be during part of Alex's family get together. Okay, so here's the cooking guide right here. Oh my god, I need my glasses. Okay, step 1. I'm so excited about this. Don't even come for me and say you needed to rinse it out. I guess I should have probably. Okay, here, we'll make it real quick. Do you wanna dance? Da-da-da. Okay, there, rinsed out. We're all good. We're good to go. Okay, clean up as you go. Can any of you, like, even care to, like, do your hair during the day? I tried to today, and I tried to yesterday, and it's just like, I guess my hair don't look too bad, does it? Except for Darlene, Jolene, Joe. I guess I'll leave the hat off. I'll leave the hat off. Oh, my lord. Okay. So, step 1. Use lid to measure pasta Is he holding that TV up again? Listen, paparazzi! Use lid to measure pasta servings no more than 4 in place. Now, I'm going to do this exactly how it shows. And so, like, I don't really understand it. Okay, wait. Use the lid, measure pasta servings no more than 4. I don't really understand it. So if you look, it tells you to, like, put the pasta. The thing puts the pasta in the basket. The thing puts the pasta... Or else it gets the hose again. Okay, no more than 4. I don't understand what you do here. Okay. What is this? It doesn't make any sense. What does that do? I don't get it. Okay. Fasta Pasta's patented shape and design have been determined... Okay, wait. I got something all over me. Okay, wait. Step 2, add cold water using... So what do? Do you, like, crack it off, or... What is that for? Does anybody know? You go in there like that? Does it do that? I don't understand what you do with this. Okay. Step 3, with lid off, cook in microwave. Add cold water using level guides inside of cooker. Overfilling. This doesn't make any sense to me. Okay. Cooking guide. Tortellini. Oh, wait, here it is. Spaghetti, linguine, and fettuccine. Serving size, 1. Okay, spaghetti regular. This doesn't make any sense. I don't really understand. I guess it's like, what is this for? This doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I don't understand anything that you do. Measure, okay. So I've measured it here. What's the smaller one for, though, I guess? So measure. Okay. I'm so confused, you guys. So I guess I put that in there, because then the next picture is me putting it in here like this. But how much do you put? I don't want that much pasta. Hell. I'm just, look. Why do you even measure it? I'm just going to put the amount of pasta in here that I want. I'm such a crack. Do you want to dance? You guys, this is just a mess. This does not even work. I don't even understand what I'm supposed to be doing here. And then how do you know how much water to put in? It doesn't say. Add cold water using level guides. Overfilling may cause overboiling. Step 3, with lid off, cook in microwave, power high, using enclosed cooking chart to select time. Okay. Cooking time in minutes. 12 to 13 minutes. This is straight up junk, you guys. Because you could totally just boil it in a stove. Like, this doesn't make any sense whatsoever. 12 to 13 minutes? I mean, 12 to 13 minutes. Listen, I could cook this for less than 12 to 13 minutes in a pasta to make it perfect every time. This is so stupid. Step 4, place lid on cooker, remove from microwave using handles, and strain water. So this is how you strain the water. Now, that comes in handy. I will say that. Step 5, shake from side to side and strain any remaining water. Rinse if desired. So, this pasta doesn't even want to fit in here. Oh, there it goes. Well, how do you know? Well, I did 2. So I guess the 2, see there's like little lines here. I don't know if you can see, but it's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I did 2 things. So I'm going to put it up here. Okay. There you go. I guess the measuring is like, you don't just put a huge gulp in there. You put like, it measures how much. But what's the smaller size for? Okay, what? Don't worry. Pick one. So here, I'm going to put this in the microwave. We'll put it on here. Our microwave runs pretty hot. Oh, I don't even know that this will turn around because our microwave is so small. I'm going to put it on for 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Will it even turn around on the little plate? Yes, it will. Okay, so 12 minutes and 30 seconds because it says 12 to 13 minutes. Okay. Important information before you start. I guess I should have probably read that. Contents in container are hot potatoes. Always cook with the lid off. Oh shit, I put the lid on. Damnation. Okay. Wouldn't want to do all that. Okay. I'm glad, good thing I read it. Fasta Pasta's patented shape and design have been determined through extensive research, and its cooking times and water levels per serving have been perfected through careful, we'll see. Cooking times are for al dente pasta. Al dente means pasta that is cooked so as not to be too soft and still firm to the bite. If you prefer a softer texture, you can cook the pasta for 1 additional minute, or let the pasta remain in the cooker for an additional few additional minutes. Cooking times are given in 1-minute ranges. For example, 13 to 14 minutes. This is because maximum cooking power varies between microwave. Listen, I've made enough spaghetti in my life to know that I could get my pot out, okay? Listen, I don't do all that. I've been sober for 25 years, okay? But you smoke your ganj if you want to, family friendly, okay? But you know, my pots and my pans, I could make some spaghetti and it would be ready in 10 minutes. What's that all about? Boil the water, put the spaghetti in. It's not like it's real difficult. Okay, cooking times, bring your colander out and you got it already. What cooking time do I use? Don't worry. Pick one and try it. You will know to use the... What? Don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. I brought out this jug of water over here to use for the water. And I'm so proud of this pure thing. I should do a review of that. I love it so much. Don't worry. Just pick one and try it. You will know to use the lower or higher quality time after your first experience. Don't forget that your Fasta Pasta cooker is 100% dishwasher safe and made with FDA approved microwave cooking material. Fasta Pasta makes a great gift for people who like to cook, busy parents with hungry children. College students, co-workers, RV campers, friends who think they have everything, pasta lovers, and everything else, and everyone else. This is so stupid. This might be the stupidest thing I've ever bought. Over it. Anyway, well, I guess I'll come back to you in 10 minutes and 12 seconds and let you know the result. Hold on. Okay, it's almost done. It's almost done. I can hardly wait for it to be done. Can you still see me? Ah! It's done. Fasta Pasta. Oh my god, I made so much. Look what happened. It got like so exciting. Okay. Oh, ow! Damnation, that water is hot. Okay. So, let's read our instructions. The next instructions say, add cold water. Oh, wait. No, wait. Place lid on cooker. Remove from microwave. Oh, I should have done that. From using handles. Okay. So there's handles on the side. I didn't follow the rules. I am a rule follower though, I swear. Okay. And strain hot water. Shake from side to side. And strain any remaining water. Okay, so here, I'm not gonna... Listen, y'all can just trust me. Here, I'm gonna put you up on the window ledge up here, okay? And... how do I do this? Okay. Do you guys want to see? Hold on a second. I don't know how I'm gonna do this and show you guys at the same time. Do I put you on the toaster? Is that what I should do? Damn, it's hot. Okay. So this is what you do. That's how you strain the water, see? So exciting, isn't it? Hola! I wonder if he can hear me. Okay. Shake it from side to side. And there you go. Now we're all done. Okay. Almost turned the camera off. Let's try this. And see. It did make quite a bit of pasta though. I mean, oh, there's still some water in there though. Hold on a second. I wonder how... There's literally like no water coming out, but it looks like there's... Ooh, the pasta's even coming out the side. Grody. It's coming out the side. Family friendly! Okay, now this is what the pasta looks like when you're done. I mean, I guess it's not too bad, but is it any different than if you were... I'm so worn out. Is it any different than if you were just going to make it? It's kind of mushy, honestly. I mean, not too bad, but... I mean, I'm going to eat it. I'm going to put some butter on it. It's going to be so delicious. Well, here, I'll just do it for you right now. So, usually I would put it on one of these plates. But I think because it's kind of... It's a little soggy. I'm going to put it in a bowl. God, I don't need that much pasta. Damn. The chips and onion dip are already getting to me. God knows I don't need a whole bowl of pasta. So here we go. Okay. Then we're going to get out our country crock plant butter with almond oil. So delicious. I love the fishes because they're so delicious. Put a little butter in there for you. Now, I will tell you, this butter does not mix up well Like, it doesn't melt really well. It's not like real butter, you know what I mean? And then put a little salt on there. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Okay. Salt. See, I'm cooking. This is cooking with Peter. Cooking with Peter. And this is what it looks like so far. I mean, you all think that I can't cook. Now, I do have spaghetti sauce, but I'm not really in the mood for spaghetti sauce today. I'm really kind of just in the mood for pasta with some butter in it. And that's what it looks like when it's all done. Oh my god, I cooked with the Fasta Pasta. Now, I have to tell you, I don't think it's too bad. I will tell you the one thing that's easy about it is that you can just walk away. Excuse me. Let me get a paper towel and clean up my mess as I'm spitting things out. Oh my lord. Okay, I will tell you the one thing that's kind of nice about it is that you can just kind of like walk away. Like, I was working on the computer while I was doing all this. So you can just kind of make it, you know, like you don't have to think about like, oh, is the pot boiling over or is it done yet or whatever. I probably would do a minute less than it suggests because, but yeah, I don't think it's too bad. I need my hat because my hair does look really pretty bad, doesn't it? Let's fold the box back. Then everybody will be real excited. They'll be like, Peter cooked? Hold on a second. If this goes on the floor, it's your fault. I'm so excited. It does kind of look a little bit like mashed potatoes, though, doesn't it? Do the mashed potato. Anyway, I would give this, I mean, it's whatever. I'd give it a 3.5. It's just really not that great. It doesn't make the best pasta in the entire world, but I think like after I used it for a while, it might get a little bit easier. Would I use this again? Yeah, absolutely. Would I use it over boiling a pot of pasta? I don't know. I'd have to use it so I kind of understand what I'm doing with it. You know what I mean? But like, I only put 2 of those things in there. Look, I still have so much pasta left. So Alex can have a little dinner for himself when he gets in tonight. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about that. Have you used it? Put it in the comment section below. I think there's some people that would actually really, really like this. And I'll definitely use it again. I don't know. I'll have to come back like the next time I use it and see if it gets better over time. So anyway, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.